What's the meaning of cide? Cide. Cide.
Cide. Cide. The suffix cide comes from the Latin word cidere, which means to kill. Words that end in cide all have something in common: they indicate an act of killing or causing death. This suffix is often used in words that refer to the killing of a particular organism or group of organisms, such as insecticide, a substance that kills insects, or genocide, the deliberate killing of a particular ethnic group. In short, adding cide to the end of a word indicates the result or action of killing or causing death.